Belajar, good afternoon. May I ask you some question and take the video to my experiment?
Sure.
I am Tia. I am a student high school student at 3rd grade. Well, what is your name?
My name is Zolt Zimba,
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
Canada.
Canada. How do you know about Bali? It's from social media or anything else?
No, I came here like 20 years ago, so I've been coming back and forth for many years.
Oh. Why do you come to Bali?
I work here now. Saya kerja di sini.
Oh. How long you have been here?
I've been in Indonesia for 4.5 years.
Had you ever visited tourism destination in Bali? Which of tourism destination?
Yeah, Pulau Lampuyan, Kintamani, Ubud area, Uluwatu, Monkey Forest, banyak.
Have you come to Monkey Forest in Sange?
I've only been to the one in Ubud.
Oh,
Right?
Ubud, but yes, nice. What do you think about Bali nowadays, especially after pandemic?
Well, I love Bali for a long time, so I'm happy that things are getting back to normal right now and a little bit more busy.
What do you make love Bali?
I love the culture, the people, and the sights and places to see in Bali.
Yes. Okay, that's all about my interview today. Thank you for your time and holiday, and you have nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.